পৰম শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ বিহুপ্ৰেমী ৰাইজ, বহাগৰ এই ক্ষণত সকলো ৰাইজলৈ
Good morning. We are continuing class 10 trigonometry chapter 8. Okay. Question number 1. Prove that sec a into 1 minus sin a into sec a plus tan a equal to 1. So how to prove? Let me show you solution part. Solution. Whenever show that or prove that is there, you to write always left hand side or right hand side. Okay. So left hand side, sec a into 1 minus sin a into sec a plus tan a. This is your left hand side. So first we will convert sec in terms of cos. Okay, we know that sec theta or sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Here theta means a. So sec a equal to 1 by cos a into 1 minus sin a. It will remain as it is. You convert sec in terms of cos, it will become 1 by cos a, and tan theta equal to, we know that sin theta by cos theta. Formula is there. Okay, 1 by cos a into 1 minus sin a. You take the LCM here, cos, both are cos, so your LCM will be cos a. Okay, 1 will remain plus sin a will remain. Then multiply 1 cos into cos square a. Okay, this is a minus b into a plus b, so it will be your a square minus b square. If you apply formula in the form of a square minus b square. Okay, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Clear now? 1 by cos square a. 1 square means 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. So here 1 minus sin square equal to cos square a. Alright, cos square a. Cos square a will cancel. So what remain? 1 equal to right hand side. Hence proved. P-R-O-V-E-D. Hence proved. Question number 2. Prove that cot a minus cos a by cot a plus cos a equal to cosec a minus 1 by cosec a plus 1. Okay, how to prove? Let me show you. Solution left hand side. Left hand side, cot a minus cos a by cot a plus cos a. Okay, so how to do? You apply formula in cot. Okay, cot theta equal to, know that cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Formula of cot, this is minus cos a by, okay, by again cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Here theta means a plus this cos a. Okay, equal to cos a, cos you take common, cos a common taken, so what will remain? 1 by sin a will remain minus cos a taken, also 1 will remain. Same in the denominator also. You take cos a common, cos a you take common, 1 by sin a will remain, 1 by sin a plus 1 will remain. Okay, cos a cancel. 1 by sin theta equal to cosec theta minus 1. Again 1 by sin theta equal to, your formula is your cosec theta means a plus this one. Okay, equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Okay, question number 3. Prove that cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so this one, see the solution, how to do the solution or how to prove. First we can prove left hand side equal to, sorry, whole square there, whole square. Okay, whole square there, whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So how to prove this one? We can prove from left hand side or from right hand side. If you prove from left hand side, you have to show right hand side. If you prove from right hand side, you have to show equal to left hand side. Okay, so let me prove from right hand side. If you prove from right hand side, it will be little easy for you. Okay, that's why I'm doing from right hand side. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. You can do from left hand side also, no problem. So but if you do from right hand side, it will be little easy. So first it is a plus, in the form of a plus b. So we multiply both the numerator and denominator by a minus b. How is rational? Like that. Okay, as you multiplied denominator by 1 minus cos theta, numerator also you multiply by 1 minus cos theta. A plus b into a minus b, so it will be a square minus b square. See, take this as a, this is b. A plus b into a minus b form, so a square minus b square. A minus b into a minus b, that means 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, both are same. You can write 1 minus cos theta whole square. Okay, no? 1 square means 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. Formula is there. 1 means 1, and this will remain as it is, 1 minus cos theta whole square. Okay, now see, 1 minus cos theta, this is square and here is also square, so we can write this one in this way also, whole square. In this also we can write. Okay, because here is also square, here is also square. So 1 minus cos theta by 1 by sin theta whole square. Now we have to separate like this, 1 by sin theta, 1 by sin theta minus this one, so minus cos theta by sin theta. Clear? Cos theta by sin theta whole square. 1 by sin theta equal to cosec theta. Formula is there. Okay, cosec theta minus cos theta by sin theta equal to cot theta. So very simple, no? Cot theta, cot theta. It is very simple, no? So it is equal to right hand, sorry, not right hand side, sorry, it is equal to left hand side, equal to left hand side. We have proof from right hand side, no? So it is equal to left hand side. See this one. Okay, so this will be your cot theta equal to right hand side, no, sorry, again mistaken, not right hand side, left hand side, equal to left hand side. Hence proved. Okay, question number 4 and today's last question. Okay, prove that cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a equal to twice sec a. So how to prove? Let me show you solution part. Left hand side, cos a by 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a. Okay, so what to do? First you take the LCM of 1 plus sin a and cos a. So your LCM will be 1 plus sin a into cos a. This is the LCM. If you divide this LCM by this denominator, sin plus 1 plus sin a and 1 plus sin will cancel, cos will remain. Cos into cos square a. Okay, plus Again, if you divide this LCM by this denominator cos A, the cos and cos will cancel. 1 plus sin A will remain. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, it will become 1 plus sin A whole square. Okay. Denominator you keep as it is. 1 plus sin A into cos A. You keep as it is into cos A. Cos square A plus this one. This is in the form of A plus B whole square. So break formula. A plus B whole square formula. Formula is like this. A square plus twice A. B means sin A plus of B square. B means sin A. B square. Okay. This is your A square plus twice AB plus of B square. B means a sin. Now arrange it. 1 plus sin A into cos A square you arrange one side, cos square and sin square you arrange one side. So sin square A plus this cos square A, okay, plus 1 square means 1 plus 2 1 are 2 sin A. And we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta. Here theta means A. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Here theta means A. Okay. Sin square A plus cos square equal to 1. Plus this 1 plus twice sin A. 1 plus by 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus 1 2 plus this twice sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay. From the numerator you can take 2 common. You take 2 common. Alright. So what will remain? 2 taken out, 1 will remain. Plus 2 taken out, taken common. So sin A will remain. 1 plus sin A. Clear now this one? Into cos A. 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A will cancel. So what will remain? This 2 will remain. Into here nothing is 1. So 1 by this cos A. Okay. Twice 1 by cos theta equal to sec theta. Sec theta equal to right hand side. Hence proved. PROVED. Okay, this is the last question.